Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jessica here with Beauty and Baseball. Today I have my first update for the Lip Service Project Pan. This is a year-long project and it's a rolling project. And we are doing this very similar to the way you would do a project polish. You start with whatever you want and then as you use stuff up, you roll some more stuff in. And if it's for your lips, any product that's for your lips, this is the project for you. I had a bunch of products in from my intro, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Lipstick, lip gloss, samples, lip balm, lip liners, any kind of lip crayons. I had a bunch of stuff in, and I actually have some empties for you. So you know that means I'm going to get to roll some new stuff in. So let me show you what I finished up. I finished these 3 Avon lipstick samples, and I will pull them out for you. As you can see, I dug everything out, and what I did with the product that I dug out is I melted that all together in an old lip balm tube and kind of created a little Franken lipstick, if you will. I also finished this lipstick from L'Oreal in Leisure Lilacs. I dug this one out as well, and the same for my e.l.f. lip primer. It is completely done on this side. I still have the plumping side, which is pretty full. There you go. I think I probably used that only once, but I did use the primer and I dug that out and I kind of melted that all together. And I finished 3 other lip products. These are the lipstick pans from the Sephora Colorista palette, and I really enjoyed those. So if you're curious what all of the bases look like from all of my lipsticks, this is it right here. Let me give you a swatch. It's got that primer base, it has those 3 sample lipstick bases, and the base from the L'Oreal lipstick. So that's what it created, and I actually like it for just a day-to-day look. I just keep this in my purse, and I always have something to put on my lips, and that way I don't lose any of my project lip products, because that has happened before and I don't want to lose it. So I just scrape out the base, melt this down on my candle warmer, and just pour it in the lip balm container. Speaking of lip balms, I have very good progress on my lip balm from the intro. It is the Avon Dazzling Berries. This is where I started, right up here, and this is where I am now. Let me show you. I'll roll it up for you. That is it. That is all that I have left on that lip balm. I don't know if I will have it finished by the next update, but I feel confident that I can get pretty close. I don't want to roll in a new lip balm this time because, like I said, I have that base that I melted down in the other lip balm tube, so I know I will have enough products for my lips, so I'm not worried about adding in a new lip balm just yet. I already showed you my e.l.f. primer and plumper. I'm hoping to have some good progress on the plumper by the next update. Like I said, this side is virtually new. I've only used it maybe once or twice, and it's not a ton of product there, so I think I can probably do pretty good with that one. While I have my paper out, I'm going to show you the Bare Minerals Ripe Fig lipstick. This is what I have left of it, which is not a ton. Let's see if I can line this up properly. You can see the top line right here is where I started and where I am now. So I've used this quite a bit. I've noticed since I started doing lip service that I'm very cognizant of having something on my lips at all times. I don't ever want my lips to feel dry, and I have my lip products all over the house, and I'm always reapplying whenever my lips start to feel a little bit dry. The Avon Gloss Stick in A La Mauve, I have really been enjoying this one. Let me show you on the paper. This is where I started right here, and now, if I can line it up properly, I am right here. I do have a little bit of this on my lips right now, and then I have some other stuff over top of it. And the Revlon Time Liner in Very Mauve. I've used this a little bit. It's a little bit bright, so I probably should have put this in like closer to spring, but I am still using it. Right here is where I started, and as you can see, this is where I am right now. So a little bit of progress, not amazing, but I'm okay with it considering I have some really good progress on a lot of other things in this project. And the 2 remaining products from intro is the Avon Opalescence Lip Gloss. This is in the color Tortoise. Hard to tell progress on this one, but I've probably used about half of what I started with. I'm really hoping to have this done by the next update. And the Buxom Lip Gloss in the color Trixie. I started right up here at this line and we are right down here. So yeah, I think that other lip gloss and this one, I'm gonna work on these hard for the next month. Okay, so that is all that I have from my intro. Let me show you what I'm gonna roll in. Since I used up 3 lipstick samples and 3 lipstick pans, I'm gonna roll in 3 more of those. This is the first pan. It's just kind of a pink color. I have this nice coral color that I accidentally gouged when I was getting it out of the palette, and this deep berry color. I just grabbed 3 random samples out of my big pile of Avon samples. My goal is to have all of those lipstick samples done by the end of the year. Speaking of Avon, I'm going to put in my Avon lipstick color adjuster. I've had this for a while and I would like to use it up. Most of the yellow is gone. I just have the blue, black, and white. I used a lot of the yellow with some brighter pink lipsticks just to warm them up a little bit. Obviously, the blue is to cool colors down. Black is to darken, white is to lighten. It's kind of common sense, but I would like to get some good use out of this and kind of keep it in here so if I end up with a color that I'm working on that doesn't quite work for me, I might be able to adjust it a little bit. Since I did finish up a lipstick, I want to roll in a new one. This is the Estee Lauder lipstick in the color Nectarine. This is out of my comfort zone. Very much out of my comfort zone, but I'm okay with that. I need to branch out a little bit, and I have a lot of very neutral nude colors. I need something that's a little bit bold, so that's why I'm adding this one in. And even though I haven't finished a lip gloss yet, I am going to add one in, one because it's on the smaller side, and 2, it's another color out of my comfort zone. Everything that I have as far as lip gloss is pretty neutral, so there it is. There is the new lip gloss. This is Chanel and the color is Rouge Cocoa, and I'm hopefully going to get some good use out of this. I mean, it's Valentine's coming up, so February I need some more reds, and those are so far out of my comfort zone. So we'll see what progress I can have in the next month. Wish me luck with those bold colors. I really hope you go check out all of the other fantastic ladies that have joined into this lip service project pan. They are going to be linked down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.